When life shatters into a million pieces, when you feel like you've lost everything you once held dear, it's easy to believe that this is the end. But what if I told you this moment, this pain, could be the beginning of your greatest comeback? Yes, you've been knocked down. Yes, you're hurting. But what defines you is not this fall. It's how you rise from it. This is your story of resilience, of finding strength within yourself that you never knew existed. First, take a deep breath. It's time to embrace the pain, not run from it. This pain you're feeling, it's real, it's valid, but it's also temporary. It's a chapter in your life, not the whole story. Now, let's talk about bouncing back. The first step is acceptance. Accept where you are right now. Accept that things have changed and that you're starting over. Acceptance doesn't mean giving up. It means acknowledging reality so you can start building a new one. Next, reflect. What have you learned from this experience? What strengths have you discovered within yourself? Write it down, because these are the tools you'll use to rebuild. This isn't just about recovering what you lost. It's about creating something even stronger. Now, let go of what you can't control. Holding on to the past won't change it. Focus on what you can control. Your attitude, your actions, and your mindset. This is where your power lies. It's time to take action. Start small. Rebuild your daily routines. Exercise to strengthen your body. Read to fuel your mind. And connect with others to heal your soul. Every small step is a victory. Surround yourself with positive influences, people who believe in you, who lift you up when you're down. Lean on them and let their strength inspire your own. Remember, rebuilding isn't about returning to who you were. It's about becoming who you're meant to be. Stronger, wiser, more resilient. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience. So, stand tall. Your story isn't over. This is just the beginning of a new chapter. A chapter where you rise from the ashes, where you reclaim your life with a fierce determination to thrive, not just survive. You've got this. The road ahead won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Every challenge you overcome will make you stronger. Every step you take will bring you closer to the life you deserve. Remember, the comeback is always stronger than the setback. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Together, we can rise.